Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the top 15 bowlers ranked by the most wicket takens in T20 International Career from 2005 to 2020 through data visualization and try to analyze various factors causing the trend. But before starting, let's check your cricket's knowledge through the quiz of the day. So here's the question. I took a wicket on my first ball in T20 Internationals, which happened to be a white ball. I play for India. Who am I? So let's check your cricket knowledge and comment the answer below. I will give you the answer at the end of the video. So without wasting any time, let's jump into our visualization. The first T20 International was played between New Zealand and Australia in 2005, and in early years it was not accepted by few countries. So you can see only players of Australia, England and New Zealand in the top list. India played only one match before the 2007 World T20 and interestingly won the maiden title. The World Cup made T20 popular not only in India, resulting in inception of IPL in 2008, but also in Pakistan, the runner of 2007 and winner of 2009 edition. Pakistan started playing more and more T20 internationals, which gets reflected in their dominance over the top charts. Players like Afridi, Saeed Ajmal, Malinga are getting recognized as T20 specialists. We rarely find any Indian in the top 15 list. The reason in my view is India play less T20 internationals, giving importance to other format, and also they play IPL. Moreover, no bowler of India played T20 on regular basis. R. Ashwin was there in top 15 before being dropped from T20 side and started playing only Test cricket. Associate nations also started entering the top 15 list like Rashid Khan and Mohammad Nabi from Afghanistan and George Dockrell from Ireland, as it's getting popular among them. Lasith Malinga became the first bowler to take 100 wickets in T20 International and the leading wicket takers by the end of 2020, followed by Saeed Afridi and Shakib Al Hasan. For India, it's shared between Bumrah and Chahal, both at 59 wickets. So that's end our visualization. Hope you like it. Now going back to the quiz of the day. Any guesses? Yeah, it's none other than Virat Kohli, who in 2011 against England takes the wicket of Kevin Pietersen on his first ball of T20 career by bowling a wide ball down the leg, and KP was stumped by MSD. Hope you like this video, and if you have any suggestion you can comment below and subscribe for more such videos.